Pour it thick. Don't take it. Let Harley pull it with the squeegee. There you go.
More.
There we go. That's perfect. You almost don't even need to squeegee it. Just right on in there.
You can pull it as tight or as thin as you want to. There you go. If you want to go farther, Harley, just pull it thinner and you can. There you go.
That's all we're gonna get on that.
Maybe try pulling it towards you. I know there's a low spot there, but you'll get more. There you go.
What's the thickness on this as far as requirements go?
Whatever thickness you need, really. I mean, it's designed to pull really tight. See how where he's going thin with it?
Use it like a slurry.
Exactly. And you'll get more surface area the thinner you go. That's why we designed it to be put down with the squeegee. And again, you have plenty of working time here.
Already liking this stuff. It's way better. You know? We're filling big stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's more volume and a different type of aggregate.
That's our biggest problem.
Right. But see how thin you can go with it. That's what it's designed to do.
Now, how about shrinking?
None. It's a polymer. What I would do, Harley, is because we have one kit, I'd take that excess material and take it down towards your truck.